If you're having issues with your StompGrip grips peeling up off the tank because the glue's no good, you can just take your finger and just run it across and it rolls right up. And once you get it all off, you can get some 3M double-sided. It's 300 LSE. And this stuff works great. I'm gonna do it in 2 pieces because it's too long, but just lay it on top, take a Sharpie or a pen and trace around it, and then just cut that out. And when you go to cut it out, you're gonna wanna cut on the inside of the line because you don't want it overhanging on the outside of the grip. Once you get your pieces cut out, wipe this off with some rubbing alcohol. I already have this piece stuck on. And on this stuff, the 3M side that shows 3M, it's thicker and harder to get off. You want to remove that first and leave the clear side on. And then when we go to install it, we'll peel this clear side off to stick it on the bike. And then line it up, stick it on and press it. Okay, when you get everything set and you get it lined up like you want it, just put some tape up here, some painter's tape just to hold it in place. And you want to peel up the bottom. Just fold it under. And you get and start sticking on, start pressing from the center first. Press on it real good. And then we'll take a heat gun and we'll heat it up a little bit just to make sure it adheres really well. You don't want to get it too hot. Just warm it up pretty good. The heat activates the glue. It's going to make it stick better. And that's pretty much an install. The StompGrip is more aggressive than the TechSpec because they have the raised dots on them. They grip to your leathers really well, where the TechSpec snakeskin, they work great too, but it's not as aggressive.